Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate chat support with LiveChat, beginner guide step by step clearly. To automate chat support with LiveChat, start by creating an account on the LiveChat website. Once registered, log in to your LiveChat dashboard. Navigate to the chatbot section on the left-hand menu. Click on Create a new bot to begin setting up your automation. Choose the type of bot you want to create based on your support needs. For a simple FAQ bot, select the option for frequently asked questions. Fill in the bot's name to make it easily identifiable. Proceed to add your FAQ entries by clicking on Add Question. Type in a common question your customers may ask. Then, provide a helpful answer in the response field. Repeat the process to cover other frequently asked questions. Once all questions and answers are added, review and edit them for clarity. After finalizing your content, save the bot configuration. Next, navigate to the Settings tab to customize your bot's appearance. Select colors and styles that align with your branding. You can also set the bot's welcome message to greet users. After adjustments, go back to the dashboard. Now, enable your chatbot to make it live on your website. To do this, find the Install section under your bot settings. Follow the instructions provided to add the bot code to your website. Once installed, test your chatbot to ensure it operates smoothly. Interact with the bot as a customer would to check its responses. If adjustments are needed, return to the chatbot settings to make changes. Monitor user interactions from the LiveChat dashboard for further insights. Use this data to refine the bot's responses and improve customer satisfaction. Over time, your automated chat support will enhance user experience and streamline your operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.